Hey, it's Don. Welcome to Don't Worry I'm Finite Brazil apartment tour part 2. This is our apartment in São Vicente. We're actually leaving it tomorrow. I always kind of wait until the last minute to do it. Somebody made a great point. You probably don't want random people on the internet to be able to know exactly where you live. But since we're moving out in the morning, I think we'll be just fine. So I'm going to show you our building. This is it right here, the big green one behind us. We live on the 13th floor. Here's how we get in. This is our elevator. You've seen it in a few other videos probably. Nice, it's here on the bottom floor. So we're going to 13. Whoop. There we are, 1305. Let's go in. All right. So when you come in, you're greeted with the kitchen, which we use some of the time. We, sit down and have meals once in a while. We usually eat in front of the TV, right in here. This is where the coffee maker is. This is an important room. Here's our kitchen. Fairly typical kitchen. Yeah, it's a pretty nice view for when you're cooking. Living room. This one was actually much more comfortable than the last living room. Got a nice big TV right as the centerpiece. That was a big deal. I wanted that. Couch, it's a futon, so not super comfortable, but it is what it is. I just sit there and look out that window a lot of the time. Let's go to the bedroom. Also important, we have an air conditioning. It gets pretty warm here and humid. Bedroom. It's a bedroom, does the trick. It's a nice size. It's a nice bed. Over here though, this is my workspace. So this is where I would sit, work on my videos, whatever else. Right behind me, as you can see, what a lovely view. This is me getting back at all the teachers in elementary school who wouldn't let me sit by the window because I'd get too distracted. Who's laughing now? I mean, I do get distracted because it's beautiful out there, and pretty much any time I'm inside, I just want to be outside. But it does also kind of calm me, help me clear my head, and just give me a nice, beautiful view as a distraction once in a while when I actually need it. It also just gives me inspiration. Like, look at that. How can you not be inspired by that view? I can see the bridge from here. The sun is setting. I can see palm trees, the beach, the water. It's just great. I love this view. Probably my favorite thing about this apartment. We're only like 3 blocks from the beach in 2 different directions actually. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. I like to stick my head out here in the morning. The little birds come up here. I'll show some of the video right now. But that's been my favorite part about the mornings. Maya hates it because they're kind of loud. But beautiful, beautiful birds just perched right here. And I just kind of hang over to the side and just watch them. You can kind of see the sun rise over in that direction. But the birds are the best. Surprisingly, this is probably my favorite view in the house. There's just something about getting a shower and being able to see the beautiful city skyline, sunset, the beach. It's really cool. It's just awesome. Not bad, right? Very refreshing. All right, well that's it for the apartment tour part 2 of São Vicente. Hope you enjoyed our apartment and hope you will continue watching. We'll give you a tour of our next apartment in Rio, which we're moving into tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm just gonna check out this view right now.